Okay, hi guys. This is pile number one. So if you picked the pile number one, then this is your reading. So let's see what messages do you have. This is a general reading. This may or may not resonate with everyone. So if you feel like this pile doesn't resonate with you, then please go and check other piles as well. Alright, so let's start with this unicorn card. It's a very pretty card. Okay, let's see what it says. So it says aspiration. You are unlimited, so aim for the stars. So this unicorn is telling you that you have unlimited resources. Don't think of yourself as you are not abundant enough. You have all the wealth, all the abundance in the world. You have the potential that you think you're lacking. You have the potential to create the future that you want for yourself. So you are unlimited, so aim for the stars. So this is your unicorn card. We'll keep it there. And let's see what the angel answers have to say. So let's see this card first. It says you are ready. So if you have been feeling that since a really long time you are not ready, then the angels are telling you that you are ready. You are ready to take that leap of faith if you are thinking about that. And if you are thinking about getting married, I don't know why it came it came from anywhere. I don't know why, but I feel like some of you guys are ready to get married. Then this is your card. So you are ready. Don't feel disheartened if you are trying to find a person for you, to find a right partner for you. You are going to find a partner because you are ready now. We'll keep it there. Let's see what the angels have to say. If you believe, okay, so if you are questioning something or some person or anything, it could be anything, A to Z, but this says if you believe. So if you're talking about a person that is this person gonna make me happy, is this person good for me, good for my life, good for my future and everything. I don't know why I keep on exaggerating on the fact. Okay, all right, I heard that some of you guys are contemplating regarding a person, like this is the person and you are contemplating. So if you believe, you can change the outcome of your future. Okay, you have the free will to do that. So angels are saying that if you believe, and it also says that you are ready, so you have to believe that you are ready so that you can gain what you want, right? Let's see what this says. Oh wow, sudden wealth. So I feel, and this number 11, I think we had, okay, yeah, so the aspiration card is number 1, so it is 111. So yes, I feel like many of you guys are entering a phase where it's a new beginning is gonna happen for you. So I think this card is also for sudden surprises, sudden oh, there's number 777. So if you have been seeing 777 or 111 a lot, then this is your confirmation that everything is gonna go right. So do not doubt yourself, do not doubt your potential, do not doubt your abilities. In short, trust your own self. All right, pile number 1. So that's the general message for you, and let me know in the comments below whether it resonates to you or not. I would love to find that out. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye bye. Pile number 2. So this is your reading. Okay, now let's get straight onto the reading. Let's read the first card that we have here is the unicorn card. Okay, what it says is help. It says the help you need is on its way, so keep watching for it. So if you have been frustrated lately, if you have been in the phase of disbelief with your own self, not only with the outer world, but if you are not trusting your own self because you are not able to help your own self, then The unicorn is telling you that the God is sending you the help that you need, so that you can come out of this particular phase that you are going through. Alright, so pile number 2, I feel like you have been in this phase since a really long time, and now you guys just want to get out of it, because it's kind of taking a toll on your mental health and as well as your physical health as well. So I feel like this help could come in the form of your spirit guides or your past ones as well, because here we can see another unicorn, but it's like far away and it's kind of like in the spirit realm. So maybe anyone who has passed, maybe let's just say that person was very dear and near to you, and that person is gonna come and help you through your dreams, or maybe by your signs or something like that, is what I'm seeing here. Okay, let's see what this card says. It says yes. Oh my god. So if you have been questioning certain things, or questioning a person, or questioning yourself in general, will I be able to do this or not, then this screams yes, because it has a exclamation. Wow, I cannot speak. It has a exclamation mark. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys. So this says a yes, like, okay, so this is a huge yes for you. It screams yes for you. So yeah, if you want something, and if you were asking the angels that will I get this or not, then it's a huge yes for that. Alright, improving health. And I feel like, as I said, you need help. The help is arriving, and as I also spoke about that, it's taking a toll on your mental health and your physical health as well. So do not worry, it is going to improve, because you are going to get the help from the source itself, so that your cup can be filled. And the angels are with you. If you are seeing rainbows, it's a sign for you that your health is improving. Here we have rainbows. If you are seeing infinity sign, it's a sign for you. If you are seeing sparkles as well, this is a sign for you as well. If you are seeing just angels or wands like this, or let's just say you are seeing some kind of white bird, is what I'm seeing here. Yeah, some of you guys are seeing white bird. So I feel like this is for you. This is like a huge sign for you, huge confirmation for you. So let's see what this says. Official person. And here we have number 22. Yeah, see, so I felt we had 22 somewhere. So this is 12 and 22. So if you have been seeing 1 2, like 12 22, or maybe 1 2 2 or 2 2 2, this is a sign for you that that help is coming through maybe a person or something. Maybe some of you are in the army, or maybe some of you are thinking of going in the army, and you guys are contemplating on that. Or what I'm getting from this is that you may be a fire, yeah, fire or air sign is what I'm feeling from this card. And I feel like your father may be able to help you, or a person who would be like a father figure to you. That person might be able to help you with your health, and whatever is causing your health to deteriorate, it's gonna go good. So don't worry about it, your health is definitely improving. Alright, pile 2, this was your reading. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, then please comment, share and like. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Hi, pile number 3, this is your reading. So let's get straight into the reading. Let's see what this card says. It says King of the Unicorns. It says you are blessed with majesty, vision and power. So unicorns are telling you that you have the power, and you have this majestic quality that amplifies the power that you already have. You have the vision to create the best version of yourself. So we have got the King of Unicorn, and that's like the most positive message that you have gotten here. So if you were feeling lately that you are not blessed enough, or you are not enough, just like in general sense, then this is a confirmation for you that you have the power to do whatever you want and whatever you need in your life. And right now, especially if you are trying to take some sort of decision on something, then this speaks like a huge yes to me. So that's that for you. Let's see what this says. Abundance. Oh my god. So you have the abundant vision and the abundant power within yourself. You just need to look onto yourself, you just need to believe in yourself, and you can do it right. Okay guys, so you have the abundance, you just have to overcome the illusion that you do not have the abundance. Okay, this can be related to wealth or anything else. All right, let's see what this card has. A year from now. So if you are planning on maybe jumping onto a new venture, planning on overtaking a business or something like that, then this is a huge confirmation for you guys that if you start building that venture from now, like from today, then a year from now you will be able to see this abundance coming in the form of wealth, in the form of abundant good health. And you need to take care of yourself a lot. Okay, so do not drown yourself in just building the empire for you, building your royal humble abode. Please also concentrate on your own self as well. Okay, take care of yourself. And then we have bad health here. Okay, what did I just say? So you have to be very careful, because you are going to start something new, or maybe you're going to start I don't know, there's this just new beginning on the horizon which is there for you, and it's just there right now, and you just have to grab the opportunity. But also you have to take care of yourself, otherwise you can end up being in the bed again, is what I heard. So maybe you have been in bed for quite some time. So a year from now, this also speaks to me that a year from now you will be in very good health, but you need to take care of yourself as well. So guys, this is all that we have got for this pile. I hope this resonates, and if it does, please comment, like and share. I will be happy if you guys do that. Alright guys, see you guys next time. Okay, take care. Bye bye.